Hello everyone, I am Deepak. Today we will be doing the practical called acid-base titration using potentiometer, which is based on the principle of electrochemical cell, where we are using calomel as reference electrode and glass hydrogen electrode as indicator electrode. As you can see from the screen that when we are using calomel and glass electrode, we will get a full cell equation. And from this we can calculate the E cell for this reaction. So E cell comes out to be E dash plus 0.0591 into pH at 25 degree Celsius. So to perform this experiment, actually we need volumetric flask, funnel, thermometer, burette, and obviously potentiometer. So as this is the reaction of strong acid and strong base, so there will be a change when we add strong base from burette to the strong acid, then there will be a change in the pH, and consequently there will be change in the EMF of the solution, as you can see from this equation. So to perform this experiment, first we have taken, actually this is the standard N by 10 NaOH solution, which was already standardized by using standard oxalic acid solution. So then we will put this NaOH solution into the burette. And of course, first perform this experiment, first we have to put a thermometer into a distilled water to check the room temperature. So after taking the room temperature, we'll pipette out 20 ml of HCl solution. We'll pipette out 20 ml of HCl solution, which is of unknown concentration, and we'll put this into beaker. And after putting this HCl solution, first we will measure or we will note down this potential value for this HCl solution, EMF value, which we can directly measure from this potentiometer, and we will note down this value for HCl solution. And then we will add 0.5 ml of NaOH solution from the burette to the HCl solution, and we will stir the solution very slightly using this glass rod. And after stirring, we can again note down or measure this EMF for this solution after adding NaOH, 0.5 ml of NaOH. And again we'll keep adding NaOH in a sequence of 0.5 ml, and we will note down the EMF value after each addition of NaOH solution till complete titration. And finally we have the data of EMF at different volume of added NaOH. So after collecting this data, we'll plot EMF versus volume of the titrant. So as you can see from this figure, there is an increase in EMF value as we are adding NaOH solution into the HCl solution. This is because of the increase in pH of the solution, because when we are adding the base, this pH of the solution will increase, which consequently increase the EMF of the solution. And there is sharp increase at the end point, and again after the end point there is an increase in pH, again increase the EMF of the solution. Thank you.